is comprised of 3 ladies, but these ladies have multiplied so many people. There are artists here who have been inspired by Jackie Chandiru. There are artists here who have been inspired by Lily Namawazi and of course Cindy. So, for yet again another amazing moment, please make some noise and a round of applause to the one and only BLUE3, Cindy, Jackie, and Lillian. If you know me, I'm truly, you know I'm probably where we're BLUE3. I'm gonna take your high school into me. How many clowns are you baby? 2, 3. I move fast to the club, don't lose me. You're not out to red, I'm choose me. If I was a cop, I've been doing more than five. But the left one nowadays, like nah. All the ladies in the house, let me see you burn. And all my fellas in the house, let me see you burn. This next song is all to all the women in the house. Ladies, all the women in the house, where you at? This song is about the ladies when we're on stage, representing for the girl. We want to show up for a little bit. Can we show up for 1 minute? Alright, hey, listen. I'm a strong woman. I'm
Yeah. We'd like to recognize our sponsors for 1 minute. This wouldn't have been possible without Stanbic Bank, FlexiPay. God bless you. Thank you so much for being part of this movement and part of this comeback. We definitely want to recognize all the fans since 2008 when Weasel Akyankalanyiza. Thank you for waiting for
Since
BLUE3.
2005.
Wow. 2005 to
BLUE3
this
has
moment.
been 20 years in the industry.
Yeah! That's record breaking on all levels.
South Africa,
we noticed,
thank you.
Thank you so much, Talent Africa. We noticed that today is the birthday of one of our sponsors, yeah?
Yes, sir.
And we don't want to miss that moment to recognize Gabriel Bar. From Gabriel Bar Perfume, we'd like to wish you a happy birthday today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Gabriel Bar. Happy birthday to you.
Can I do some French?
Yes.
Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire.
Listen, happy birthday, Gabriel. Let's get back to the music tonight.
So guys, this next song is so special to us. Already at Weasel fans, make some noise! Already at Weasel fans, make some motherfucking noise.
Tonight, right?
Yeah. We want to thank you so much for coming out to support BLUE3, guys. The love is real. We don't take it for granted. We are humbled by your presence, everybody who's come out tonight. Thank you so much to our designers, Abasi, Kestigo,
Charlie Gonza,
Tazimone, Santina,
The hairdressers, Jefferson, Maggie.
yes,
Hair by Siwa, Makeup
thank you for working with us on this
Mono
journey.
Faces.
It's about time to get back to the music, maestro.
All right.
Let's end this show tonight.